We are told that Krobia is set to sign 2 new players before this transfer window no ebe close next week. And it is 18th of August 2024. The transfer window no e close on 25th of August 2024. Next week by Sunday and ne you amino kase na ya close transfer window. Ade amene Ghana Football Association enya adwenda. Liga enya nhyase e okoto transfer window mu sen. But Ghana no BBI possible. Now Kumasi Asante Kotoko were a week to finalize the deal with player on the screen this week. And Tia Mensa can say a China, which is Monday and then a day Tuesday. The Ghana Football Association Status Committee the status of Shaukan Mohammed Ebebabi Tuja. Say, oh yeah, Accra Lions player, and I say, oh yeah, media man, and I say, oh yeah, free agent as the player wants it to be put. Send a obe join it, Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Asumdue. Now, these are the dynamics. Such na verdict the Ghana Status Committee for the case or your free agent. He just walks to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Personal terms, no agree, no assign, na BBI fine. In the event, say, Status Committee no ekofa mrana e contract no me the year adwuma no mo ka say Accra Lions for no trigger e be twitwensem mu na no kotoko pa agese kotoko e ma Accra Lions manya ne ntie say omuso omope 300,000 Ghana cedis eno any scar omo ebepe in the event say sa omo extend ma no na obeye omo player kotoko e ma omo 300,000 na asem no emfa na asem nko na omu release boy no emma Krobia Asante Kotoko uhu Mukwala former Kumasi Asante Kotoko striker say owo Simba report bi na mu no kreba ko kra enim we beka say was a complete was no krebia enim o say coach Davis has informed management of Simba to release one of the 2 foreign strikers in the squad, Steve Mukwala from Uganda and Freddie Michael from La Côte d'Ivoire. Davis is not satisfied with the level of the strikers. Let's just say Omu coach, Simba new coach, according to the report I free last week in the name was Ninja Mukwala and Freddie ho nti Omu level no form nti Simba is on the market to search for new striker. Sasemwe amount for a report to say sanitary Simba ho na Mukwala kono or say free ho because coach him penasem yemu kakra ya na say no krep ba kokra enisa asem no enti ehuru radasem I say you treating him with all the contempt it deserves and only news kakra na was me update too because na man for bizam say or say free Simba na